Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this Vevor camping tent. So first I'm going to take it out of the box and assemble it. All right, so I can see this tent has like a carrying bag. All right, so it does have a zipper, two handles. It's probably, if I had to guess, about 6 foot tall. Could I carry this by myself? Yeah, I probably could carry this by myself, but it is pretty heavy. And the bag is gray, but it looks like the tent is like a brown. Oh, it's multicolor. I'm assuming these are like side panels, maybe to block the sun. The inside of the bag does have like a safety strap to keep it in place. Here's the manual. Don't mind my appearance, I just cut my grass. Okay, so here's the manual, and then there's a bag. These are probably, if I had to guess, like anchoring stakes to keep it from flying off. There's probably about a dozen of them here. You're going to get a heavy duty cord. Here's what it should look like when you're finished putting it up. So it looks like you just lay it flat, and then there's a pull rope on the inside that you pull and it somehow pops up. We'll see. So that's the Vevor, so that must be the front. Definitely do the middle one first because it's almost impossible to reach. Oh my God. I can't get this by myself. To be continued. I can't get it by myself. I'm too short.
Keep going.
There we go. All right. Yeah, definitely needed two people. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it actually is really nice.
This really was easy to set up. The only part that was tricky was the middle. That definitely takes two people. And look at the size of this. It really is quite roomy. There's like a little hook there that if you wanted to hang a lantern or something. And then of course you can zip this to keep bugs out. But it looks like there's at least 6 places to tether it to the ground. Now this would be great for any kind of outdoor event in the summer, but I could see this being very useful if you're having an event and you don't want to have the bugs get all over it. You could set up your food inside here. This would be great even for camping if you have a large family and you want to fit 2 adults and a couple kids in there. There's enough room for everyone to spread their sleeping bags out. And if you want privacy, it does have those panels that Velcro on it too. And then that pokes through. All right, so that goes like that. You can see each side. That's very nice. Okay, so that's different. That's different. I like that the spikes go in like that, and then you do have a piece of fabric that technically comes out over top of that, so it's more of a finished appearance and people aren't walking on your spike. Definitely very lovely, very spacious. Look at that. So I'm going over the accessories that came, and there's also this pop-up type stick thing that you'll see a lot in tents, and this is to go. Okay, there is a pocket down here and then a pocket that corresponds up there. I can't do it one-handed. And I would suggest leaving it apart until you get each side in, because otherwise it's just too hard. You can kind of push that into place, and then that keeps that opening nice and secure. So one goes on that side and then one goes on that side. But look how nice it is in here. It's just really beautiful. Super, super nice. Very well made, and it looks really pretty. If you had a party, like say you had a half a dozen of these, like a food table, drinks, this is really a beautiful, beautiful setup. There's the top, there's that little ring I told you about. You could hang like a lantern from there. I just realized there's this little loop here that probably I was supposed to put that through first. I didn't see it until just now, but you can put it through there and then tie it into place. All right, so there's one side and there is the other. Very, very well made. I'm impressed. I got this to film a short form video, but I figured since I had it, I'd put together a YouTube video too showing it. It really is a great product. I will include shopping links below. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.